Right. They gave us a question on stoichiometry to solve. They said in the reaction below, now this is the equation for the reaction. The first thing I tell students is check whether the equation is balanced or which this equation is actually balanced and balanced it. Now you're looking for the mass of CaSO4. You're required to produce 1 mole of Na2SO4. We have two methods of doing this. Now let me quickly write the equation again down here. You have CaSO4 plus 2 moles of sodium chloride giving us calcium chloride, a very important source of calcium, plus Na2SO4. To make it very easy, I tell students to get the connecting factor. The two connecting factor here is CaSO4 and Na2SO4. This is our limiting reagent. Now we can have it as mole to 1 mole of CaSO4 give us 1 mole of Na2SO4 from the equation here. Now they say that the mass of CaSO4, the mass, so X mole of CaSO4 gave us 1 mole of Na2SO4. It's very good way to do this. So you can cross multiply, of which S will equals to have 1 mole of CaSO4. We can now go back to formula that says number of moles is equals to mass over molar mass. Remember that for CaSO4, that would be number of moles. 1 mole is equals to mass, which we are looking for, over molar mass of CaSO4. CaSO4, that is 40 plus 32 plus 64, which will give me 136 over 136. So you cross multiply, you have the M is equals to 136 gram. Okay, now, or the other way you can do it is you can use it as, since you have CaSO4 and Na2SO4, here you have 136 gram. 136 gram of this will give me, for Na2SO4, you can quickly calculate that Na2SO4, that will be 46 plus 32 plus 64, which is 146 gram of. This one is for CaSO4, this one is for Na2SO4. That is for the other one. Then from the node, 1 mole of Na2SO4. So therefore, X gram of CaSO4. You also give me, for 1 mole of this, I have 146 gram. So by the time you cross multiply, you still have X is equals to 136 times 146 divided by 146, which is still equals to 136 gram. You solve it. So you have two methods of solving it. Remember in stoichiometry, the equation of reaction must be balanced. Then get the two connecting factors. Then use the known to get the unknown. You can use the mole ratio or you can use the mass. Inside one mole, you can get mass. That's why the other mass is measured as gram per mole.